guys, this is Rima here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here at the Wolf Ranch Community. We're going to be looking at this one-story home which is called the Rover Floor Plan. It's the first one ever built and it is the model. So they haven't built one yet, but at least we have the model to see if you guys like this one. And the good thing that's happening right now is you guys get to pick a lot and put the home that you like on it. So that has not happened for a while. This is a good opportunity. This one is a 1973 square footage with a 3-bed, a study, and a 2.5 bathroom. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. It's a nice study right when you enter the house. Love the lightings. They have really nice high ceilings. It's just 12 feet high. Love the colors of the bathroom and the tiles picked out here. So at least you guys get some ideas. It's a laundry. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen right here. They've got the wood island wrapped around, as you can see. Farm sink. Look at the pantry. You get the cabinets underneath right here. Nice window, sitting area. Even though if it's a single story, you feel like it's got enough room to breathe in it because of the high ceilings that they offer. Also has a tankless water heater. They've got the cafe style appliances. But I love the barn door feature right there. It's beautiful. Look at the backyard. Love the fire pit that they have out here. a walk-in closet. Again, love this kitchen. Beautiful. Okay guys, that was a tour of the Rover floor plan, one story here in Wolf Ranch of Highland Builders. Right now they've got great opportunity for you all as buyers, as that has not happened for a while. You get to go ahead and pick that lot, build the home that you want, the way you want it, design it. So if you need more details, more information, reach out to me. I can reach out to the sales rep, get you that appointment, get you guys those details. And again, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please go ahead and press that subscribe button and like my channel, as I will continue to go ahead and give you guys great content on homes here in Austin. Thanks.